Hello, and welcome to this American Valve training video. Today, we will be learning the final steps we need to take to complete an order that is shipped from the Bender facility in Reno, Nevada. Okay, there are three things that you need to follow along with today's tutorial. The first is OpenVPN Connect installed and logged in. The second is Eterm installed and logged in. If you have any questions regarding those first two, please refer to the previous video where we went over the installation and setup for those applications. The third is the American Valve Nightly Confirm Report. This is a CSV file generated by Bender and sent to American Valve. Once you are logged into Eterm, you should see the main menu here. In order to find the first order we need to edit, we are going to go to F2 for orders, and this will open the sales order entry screen. As you can see, our cursor is down here in the price branch field. We can just hit F10, and that's going to populate the field with RENO. And now we are ready to search for the order that we need to change. We will refer to the American Valve Nightly Confirm Report for the order number or S number, and search for that in the Ship To field up here. Once we navigate to that order, we will first see the body of the order. We will first press Escape to go to the status screen. Now with our cursor on the Direct from Bender warehouse line, we will press C to change the order to a call when complete status. Having the order in this status will allow us to make the necessary three changes. The first, we are going to put in the carrier information, then the tracking number, and then we will send the invoice for the order. So from the status screen here, we want to tab over to the ship via, and we will update this with the carrier information, again found on the American Valve Nightly Confirm Report. We see that this order has shipped with Oak Harbor, so we can update this to Oak Harbor. And now, the tracking number we're provided is going to go on the header for this order. So we can press Alt-H to go to the header screen. And we want to input that in the field called Customer Release Number. In order to avoid human error, I would copy the tracking number from the spreadsheet and then paste it into the Customer Release Number field using Control-Alt-A. Now, after the tracking number is in the Customer Release Number field, we can press Escape again to get to the status screen of the order. At this point, we want to press I to change the order to an invoice status, Y to confirm the ship date. Now, tab over once until your cursor is in the Print field, and we want to change this to B. After we press Escape to back out of this order, we are done. As you can see from the Nightly Confirm Report, there will be instances where one order can have multiple tracking numbers. Right here, we've got one order that's shipped with 5 different boxes. In this case, we only need to enter the first tracking number. So we can follow the same steps as previous. We will, in the Ship To field, navigate to the order using the order number from column A. Once we are in the order, we press Escape to get to the status screen. C to change the order to a call when complete status. After tabbing over to the ship via field, we enter the carrier, UPS ground. Alt-H will take us to the header. And then we want to copy and paste the first tracking number from the available tracking numbers on the Nightly Confirm Report. Again, Control-Alt-A is the paste key in Eterm. Now that we have the ship via and customer release number fields updated, we will press Escape. From the status screen, we press I to invoice the order, Y to confirm the ship date, tab over once to the print field, and change to B. Here, we just press Escape, and we can escape out of the reason for change box. This concludes today's training video where we learned how to complete the final steps that need to be done after an order ships from the Bender warehouse in Reno, Nevada. Thank you for your time. Take care.